guys, and welcome back to a new video. So today's video, I ordered the PLouise Black Friday mystery box. This is her large one. Now I ordered this on the 25th of November and I actually accidentally ordered next day shipping, well, 1 to 2 day shipping, and this didn't come for a week. So that was fun because I spent £16 on 1 to 2 day shipping and it took a week to come. So that was my first problem with this order. The customer service from PLouise have been amazing. Oh, sneak peek. The customer service from PLouise have been amazing. So no fault to them at all. I think it was just a rush of Black Friday orders where my mystery box just did not get looked over. Basically, I'm going to be opening this today, and I also placed another Black Friday PLouise order that also came yesterday that I will open for you, but I thought we would go through the mystery box first. I wanted to open this on camera and get like my raw reaction, but because I had my eczema flare up, I didn't obviously get my raw reaction, so I opened it to make myself feel better. And let's just say PLouise did not disappoint with the products that are in here. So this box retailed for €120 and it was worth $275.50. I think that's what it retailed for, and it said you would get 12 products in it and you would also receive clothing items because I had to pick my size. So I picked a size small. I do know, however, that they did run out of clothing pretty quickly, so if you did not get clothing in your mystery box, you got more makeup products. So yeah, I'm just going to show you what I got in it. I'm really happy with what I've got. So when I opened the box, this is what we got. There's also another product in here. So I'm just going to go through everything and I'll pop prices up on the screen of how much everything costs and then the total if it did add to that and stuff like that. So I'm just going to start going through the products. The first thing that I noticed we got in our mystery box was one of PLouise's brow sets. So this, first of all, can we just talk about this packaging? Like, how insane is that? It's a little coffee cup. So inside of it you get her brow pencil and then you also get a brow gel. Now I don't know if these coffee cups are actually able to be used. I would like to think so, but it doesn't actually say if they're able to be used. But so you get the brow gel. I got mine in the shade Hazelnut Latte, for anyone wondering. So you got your brow gel, which just like looks like this, and this is a very big brow gel, I'm not gonna lie, like it is quite large. And then you also get her brow pencil, so I'll just show you what this looks like. I wanted to buy this anyways, so I bought it in case it wasn't in the mystery box, and I'm kind of glad I did because I got a different shade than what I was hoping for. But this is what the brow pencil looks like. It has a spoolie, and then it also has the thing. As you can see, the pencil of it is quite thin. It's very thin, and it's actually thinner than my Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, which I'm really excited to try. So they were the first products I got. So then the next thing that I saw was this. This is the Mum Mitchell Acid Rain collection, and this is a set of brushes. So it looks like a paintbrush. You just take this off and then you have these 3 brushes. So you've got a kind of flat brush to pop your PLouise base on, you've got an angled brush for liner, and then you've got a really thin brush for liner also. I will make great use out of all these, so I'm actually really happy with these. So then the next thing that I saw was the original PLouise base. So this is in the shade 06. Now I actually own the shade 02. This is what I prep my eyes with, and that is the shade 06 right here. I will probably use this for cream contour or in the near future. Exciting things are coming, so I might actually keep this for actual prepping eyelids, but if not, I'll just use it as a cream contour. So I actually am really happy that I have this But yeah, you didn't get to decide what colour base you got, it just got thrown in. Some people got their actual shades, like Rumor 2, some people got Rumor 4. I just have to get Rumor 6, but I can use it as cream contour, so I'm actually really, really happy about this. So the next thing that I got in my box was the PLouise, obviously, 7071 Devoted to My Base. You guessed it. This is another one of her flat brushes, but this is actually made for her PLouise base. I have the ones that are made for the paints that come with the crisp finish paints, but I don't have one dedicated to the base, so I'm so glad I have this now. And also the writing on it, how cute. Oh, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. How cute is that? So yeah, really, really happy with this. I mean, you really cannot go wrong with a flat brush. Like, you're gonna use them for absolutely everything and anything. So the next thing that I got is actually something that I was gonna order but never ended up ordering, just in case. So I never ended up ordering anything after the mystery box, just because I was like, just in case I get a double up. This was one of the things I wanted to buy. So this is their crisp finish paint in the shade Tiny Teas. I have the shade Smoking Hot and I absolutely love it, but sometimes I don't want as harsh of an orange, like peachy cheesy color. So I'm really, really happy because I was gonna order this. So like I said, this is in the shade Tiny Teas, so it's just kind of like this orangey color. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's gonna look unreal in the waterline. And then you also get one of her flat brushes as well, and the color of the paint corresponds with the color on the brush. So I have, this is my Smoking Hot, so as you can see, they're completely different. This one's darker, this one's lighter. You also get a brush with this one that's the same color as this. But yeah, I'm really, really, really happy that I've got this color, and it will come to great use, because sometimes I don't want Smoking Hot in my waterline. Sometimes I prefer something a little bit lighter, so I'm glad I have this and I'm really, really excited. Also, like I said, packaging, it's a crisp packet. They're savage though. So then the next thing that I got was one of the Mama Mitchell Acid Rain paints. This is in the shade Ibiza, and I was actually looking at this shade because I love purples and greens on my eyes, because I have green eyes and purples and greens really complement green eyes. So this is what the shade Ibiza looks like. How pretty is that? It's just this really, really nice purple shade. So that's the shade Ibiza from the Acid Rain collection. I'm very, very excited about this. Then the next thing, which I was kind of shocked about, to be honest, I got the Winter Edition Basics bases. So this is the packaging. How pretty is that? And then you just slide it out. Unicorn wings or feathers. Open, open. And this is what you get. So these are all the bases that you get. This is her winter collection, as I said. This one is Hint of Mint. This one is Winter Frost. This one is Touch of Violet. And this one is Winter Rose. I'm really, really excited about these. I have heard so much about these, and I actually saw Jordan Lipstone mix in the white PLouise base with this one and make a really, really nice minty colour. But that is what they look like. There. I'm so excited to play with these, and I'm actually surprised that this is in it. I didn't think it would be, but I'm really, really happy. I feel like this as a blush is going to be absolutely beautiful, so I'm very, very happy about this. And then the last thing that I got was the clothing. Now I'm not going to try these on just because I might wear them in my next video. So basically, when I pulled this out, I had no idea what it was, and then it says Innocent Tracksuit in black and a size small, so sizing perfect. Pull it out. So first we have the trousers. They are this ribbed material, as you can see, and they go all the way down. They are quite long, like very, very long, and I'm really short, and I know PLouise is quite short as well. They've got like this ruching detail on the leg. For me, I wouldn't personally wear them, but I feel like around the house, because they're such thick material, I feel like around the house this is going to be quite just nice. Like, it's quite thick. And then you have the top. Now, I actually quite like this top. This is what the top looks like. It's an off the shoulder top. So it goes like this. You know what an off the shoulder top is, like a one shoulder top. And then the sleeves have that ruching detail again. Now, I'm not a fan of ruching. I'm really not. Even in gym leggings, I know a lot of people have that like scrunch bum like ruching. I'm not a fan of it. I just think, no, it's not for me. But I feel like I could really like this top when I try it on. I feel like cause it looks like this off, I'm like, interesting. But I feel like on it'll stretch out, so it might look a bit better. So I'm actually really happy with that. So guys, that was everything I got in my mystery box. I opened this, I was like, this is incredible. I was like, I'm so happy. And then I watched another girl open her PLouise Large mystery box, and I realized I was missing items. So I realized I was missing items because I watched this girl's unboxing of her large mystery box, and instead of getting one of the acid rain paints, she got all of them. And another girl had commented underneath her video to say she had only gotten one of these. So me and the girl who commented had gotten the exact same stuff, but the girl in the video had gotten more. And then I was thinking, does this include as 4? Does the tracksuit include as 2? Do you know what I mean? So I was like, look, I'm going to email PLouise and see. So I emailed them and explained the situation, and I was like, I don't know if PLouise packed that girl's order, so she threw in the rest of the acid rain paints, because PLouise was doing that. And then they wrote back to me and they're like, no, I'm so sorry, you have actually not gotten all of your products. If people are spending that much money on PLouise or on any brand, and you're told you're going to get this many products for this price, you would hope that they would check that they're all in there. But I'm really happy with what I got, and they did say they're going to send me out the rest of the collection. So I will have all the acid rain paints and I will feature them in a video, but just right now I don't have them. So I will be getting the rest of these shades, hopefully. If not, they are sending me out more products. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 products, so I'm missing 4 of them. So it's the 4 others from this, except for blank canvas. So yeah, that was what was in my large mystery box from PLouise. I also did an order before I ordered the large mystery box for myself. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I'm pretty sure PLouise actually brought these out for Christmas. They are the red and the green crisp finish paints. So I got the red and the green just because they're really Christmassy, and I know I can do so many Christmas looks with these. So this is what the red one looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. It is called Flamin' Firecracker. And again, once again, the matching brush comes with it. So you've got a red flat brush. Honestly, I'm going to have so many of these. Then I have the green one. The green one looks like this, and this is called Sweet and Sour, which I think is such a cool name. And then you also have got the matching green brush. So I'm really happy with these. I'm glad they are added to my collection. And once again, packaging, insane. Then the next thing that I got for myself was this. Now this is from the PLouise Cancel collection, and can I just say, once again, I know I keep going on about this, but the packaging of this. So this is meant to be like a newspaper roll. Now this is completely flat, like completely flat, but it looks so realistic. And then it just has like cancel already all over it. And then you pop this lid off, and then this is what's in it. So this is another one of her paints, but they're not the crisp finish paints. It's just part of her new collection. So she brought out a white and the black, and I got the white just because I don't really wear black eyeliner on my lash line, and I prefer a pen liner to a paint liner, a gel liner. So that's why I got the white, because the white I will use in my waterline. And then once again, you get a flat brush, as you guys know at this point, and it just has PLouise Cancel. And I've heard the brushes from this collection are absolutely insane, so I cannot wait to purchase them, because I have heard they're quite they're really good. So I'm very excited about this. Again, it's another thing that I always wear in my waterline. I feel like pencils don't stay in my waterline. I have a load of the Morphe ones, but they just don't stay in my waterline. So that's why I picked up a white. That's why I was going to pick up the lighter version, because sometimes I don't want something as dark. I want a little bit lighter. So that's why I picked this up. So I'm very, very excited about this. And then the last thing that I picked up was the PLouise, oh sorry, the hair's everywhere, the PLouise boarding pass. There is literally hairs all over me. The PLouise boarding pass lip kit. So I got mine in the shade First Class. There's also another one, I cannot remember the name of it, but this one is the brownie nude. She does have a pinky nude, but I decided to go for the brownie nude just because I prefer it, even though I know I'm wearing pink on my lips today, but ignore that. So you get your liner, and this is in the shade Achievements. The first thing I noticed about this lip liner is you don't get that much product of it compared to if you were to have a pencil liner. So say this is my MAC lip liner and this is the PLouise. Now you are getting this full of product. This whole pencil is product, while you're only getting that much from PLouise. So I don't know, but that's that. Just be mindful when you are buying them, you don't get that much product. And I feel like lip liner I go through quite a lot of, but I feel like if I love it, I will end up repurchasing it. I think it's the same with anything. Like if you love something, you're going to repurchase it no matter what. So I'm excited to try this. So yeah, this is like a brownie nude colour. And then you also get the lipstick. Now when I tell you, this lipstick is so heavy, it is such a weight on it, and this is in the shade Heights. Like this is absolutely massive, like massive. I feel like people know a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So this is Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, this is the PLouise. Like it is so much bigger and it is so heavy, but I'm really excited to try this. So this is the shade there. How nice is that? It's just a brownie nude, and I cannot wait to use this. I will be doing a full face of all the new products that I have. I just really want to wait till my eczema comes down. I also got this cardigan in the Black Friday haul. I just have it tucked up, but yeah, this is what I got. It's from I Saw First, but I'm really happy with all of my products. I cannot wait to try them. I have so much to try. Look at this mess. Oh, wait. Let me. This is the mess I'm turning myself in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We hit 70 subscribers, which is actually crazy to me. Like 70, that's a lot of people. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one, which will hopefully be testing all of this. I will see you in two videos hopefully before Christmas. So if you don't watch them, I hope you have a great Christmas. I hope you get to spend it with your friends and family, and yes, I will see you very soon. Bye. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow